So, as you can see, Hurricane Matthew is. Oh, let me turn it up.
10.32 inches. It's, if you're not familiar with where the airport is in Fayetteville, it's actually a little southeast of the city, a little closer to Hope Mills. But now over 10 inches, and it was actually a few hours ago.
Look at my house, or in my yard.
South of Fayetteville there, that already had 10 inches, and I would imagine they're probably up close to a foot of rain now. A flash flood emergency is in effect for Hope, Cumberland, and Sampson County. There was a Rhodes Lake dam failure there in the Godwin community in Cumberland County that flooded U.S. Highway 301, and it was feared. The Weather Service feared that may cause some flooding on I-95. And now a flash flood emergency for Durham, Wake, Johnston, Wayne counties. In the Triangle, we've had reports that Crabtree Creek in Raleigh, which is always a problem spot when we have a lot of rain, that it is above flood stage. We do understand, or we did have an unconfirmed report that there was a car submerged in water at Atlantic and Hodges in Raleigh, and the condition is not going to get better as the rain continues. We're going to take a break. I'll be back in the forecast center with an update in a couple minutes.
Watch Jersey Mike Sports Night every night at 10. The most complete local sports report on Time Warner Cable News. No matter how perfect the weather may be.
Okay, so earlier I thought we was in the middle of a tornado or something because like all I could hear was like it sounded like a train, but like it didn't. Like it was just strong winds and stuff, and like the tree, I thought it was about to fall down. Like them trees over there, like all. Let me show you. All the way over, like all them trees over there, like after the thing right there, the playset thing that I have, them trees across, it was in another person's yard, but like that it belongs to the people next door to us, but like they were literally like coming in, and like it was kind of scary, but yeah, like Florida, I feel for y'all, I really do. Everybody across the United States is getting this right now as I speak. I feel for you. See, hold on, see? Now since I have the video, it's not going to show it.
Time Warner Cable.
It's 2:11. I'm meteorologist Lee Ringer. Thanks for staying with us back in the forecast center. What a storm Matthew has been. In the grand scheme of things, yes, the storm is getting weaker. At one point, it was a Category 4 hurricane as it was approaching the coast of Florida back on Friday, gradually weakening as it moved up the coast of Florida, Georgia last night. At the center, it never made landfall technically in Florida. It did technically briefly come inland in McClellanville, South Carolina, which is near Charleston, and it's been hugging the coast. You can see the center of circulation right.
It's so sad. I feel for y'all people now.
That's where the center is. You know, because we've been in it all day. The rain has been falling well north of the center, and that's creating all sorts of flooding problems in our area. Most everyone
it's
in our
flooded
area
like 5 minutes from where I live at. Like I live off of Rayford Road, but like I'm not gonna name the street where I live on or anything because of privacy things. But I live near Rayford Road, or off the Rayford Road. There's like a million roads off the Rayford Road, so y'all don't know what I'm talking about. But like, just to give y'all an idea, I live past the mall, and like it's past the mall, and like the mall is like 30 minutes from where I'm at, or maybe like 15-20 minutes from where I'm at right now, which I'm at home right now. But like they said, the news people said that it's flooded on Cross Creek Mall. It's flooded on I-95. It's flooded on a lot of major highways that like go like around the Beltway or Expressway or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I will keep y'all informed how it is for North Carolina. I mean, I'm doing fine. Like, we have food to survive on if it got that bad. But like maybe only like 5 days of food, if that. Like, we didn't prepare for that much because we didn't feel like it was going to be that bad.
These types of hurricanes that settle over our state that have caused the most damage and loss of life and destruction.
During a news conference Saturday morning, he talked about the potential for flooding along the coast, as well as places inland that were saturated from heavy rain last week.
I want to let you know we are prepared. We are ready for it. We are ready for this turn of events. We didn't want this turn of events to occur, but we are ready for it.
Governor McCrory also spoke about the need to prepare
Well, this is some of them is from North Carolina, the trucks.
Bumper down.
Like,
if you don't have power, and get your water now and your resources down, your flashlights now. If you haven't already done that, you should have already done that.
He says the storm could be prolonged, and we could see the effects into next week if rivers surge from the heavy rainfall.
Most of our concerns right now are inland, where we're going to have surges on the major rivers coming into North Carolina, which could cause serious damage.
His last piece of advice, heed the advice from your local officials, since they will know specifically which areas are in danger of flooding. In Raleigh, FNC.org.
okay, so when I just went to the bathroom, like, I was looking in the bathroom, and like, it just came down like I'm not even lying. Hold on, you can see it better in my bathroom than you can in here. And I'm about to turn on my fan again. See, look. No, you can't. Hold on. That's how it's looking right now. I mean, it's not that bad right now, but it was. I promise you it was. Like, a lot of stuff just, like, hit the window. Like, debris flying around and stuff. See? That's how hard it was earlier, except for like it was like maybe like a little bit faster than that. gonna show you any more of that. Lighting in here. Okay, so let me put lighting in here. Like that. Okay. Awesome lighting. Okay. It's awesome. And like oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah. I will update y'all soon. But I don't want this vlog to be that long. It's already almost 11 minutes, so please like, subscribe, comment, share. And the question of the day is, would you rather be in a tornado or in a hurricane? I would rather be in a hurricane because a tornado, like, both of them can do a lot of damage, but a hurricane is like rain and stuff. But tornadoes, like, they'll pick up your house and like there's barely any chance that you will survive if a tornado comes, but there's a better chance that you will survive if a hurricane hits you. So comment down below because I want to know. The question of the day is, would you rather want to be in a hurricane or a tornado?